Hi guys, you're on Illumination channel. Today I'll tell you how to play Sueka. Sueka is a typical point trick card game, so if you're able to play at least one point trick or trick taking card game, then it's very easy for you to understand Sueka. The game is using a deck of 40 cards, which is used in the card game Tonkin. I made a video about that game, which means that you need to remove every 8, 9, and 10 from the 52 card deck. So yeah. The rank of cards is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, Queen, Jack, King, 7, Ace. Which means that 2 is the lowest card while Ace is the highest. The amount of players is always 4, divided into 2 teams of 2 players sitting across from each other. The objective is getting at least 4 points. Deal. The the leftmost player sitting near the dealer basically cuts the deck, which means basically which means basically which means two deck halves are replaced in places. So yeah, then each player is getting 10 cards with 10 cards at a time. If the oh sorry, and dealer's lowest card is revealing the trump suit for the round, which means that spades are the trump for this round. Just a simple round. Then the deal ends and the gameplay begins. The rightmost player sitting near the dealer goes first. Each opponent must follow the suit. If they are not having the suit, they must put any card of their choice. The owner of the highest card gets the trick and puts the next card. The round, along with the gameplay, ends after placing every trick. Then the scoring begins. The value of cards in points. Each 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 gives 0 points. Each queen gives 2 points. Each jack gives 3 points. Each king gives 4 points. Each 7 gives 10 points. Each ace gives 11 points, which is the highest amount. The team with the highest amount of points gets 1 game point, 2 game points if at least 91 points are received, or 4 game points if each trick is received. So yeah. If points are equal, which means that both teams got at least 60 points, then everyone is getting zero points for the round. However, in the next round, one of the teams can get basically one additional game point. So yeah. After recording every point, the scoring ends and the next round begins with the deal. The game goes until one team getting at least 4 game points. That team wins while the opposing team loses. So yeah. Alright, I told you everything about this game. I hope you enjoyed the next video. I hope you now know how to play Sueka. And since I have nothing else to say, I'm ending this video right now. So goodbye, everyone.